freedom.
Getting hooked up here, huh?
We're getting hooked up.
That's awesome. Should we just do the one, you think? Don't
Yeah.
Just which one is it?
The other one.
Yeah, it's not that one.
Save all the time we can.
21, too. Yeah.
And then let's start on the front studs now that he's got that.
You need that other one?
You got the studs? Are they in the car?
They're right here.
All right, so we're changing the 2 wheel studs on this. We got one broken one here and one on the other side. Just so when we launch it hard, we don't shear the rest. So we're gonna do that real fast. And then we gotta hurry up. We're late, of course. Our savior.
That's it. Done. I think we're gonna need a seat.
No.
Push it in a little bit.
Came off, it'll go on.
Push it back.
Car turned out epic.
Pretty cool, huh?
Pretty cool.
No.
Something special. Got somewhere we can watch real
I'm
quick?
gonna take this thing through the.
Oh, that's right. He's not working. He just came in to do this.
Shit, we're going there now. If you want to follow us.
Goes out of the way.
I will.
They got hurt.
Get to the track. We're a little late.
We got this.
I was so disappointed.
No way.
No!
It's gone, dude. What went? What did it feel like? We went ahead and hooked him up with the top of the valve.
Yeah, this thing's sweet. It's like it got snapped so cleanly.
Right? Shout your name out, bro.
Gauge _ Knox 18 on its
The registration's suspended on it, and it has no insurance out of Georgia. So right there makes it not roadworthy and more than one wagon. Fair enough?
Fair enough. You guys mind signing it?
I'm not good. I appreciate it. It's all good.
Good cops out there. You got to put your name.
Nah, it's all good. It's right, FHP and today's date. Extra cool as
You
it is, because I should be telling you.
Yeah, you are cool.
Okay, guys. Take care.
Thanks, guys. What did he say?
FHP. Florida Highway Patrol. I mean, I'll do the head at the track.
I know you will. Hey, videotape them leaving though. No?
What should we do? Take the Vic and go get shit? Or...
Take the Vic and go get shit.
We'll take it to the track.
If we had a
I want to stay with the car. I want to kind of stay with the
I say we just leave it like that and let them all sign it, and I don't know. It's gonna be a lot of work. We're already like late.
Yeah, but we're the Boostedboiz.
I mean, we can do it.
We gotta at least get it done for the demo drags. I'll get it done for the demo drags if I get ahead.
At least if it runs.
Yeah.
We got tools, so then we need to get one. So then you guys
We need to get all the cam caps, the cams,
so
and
then
tools.
You and Jeremy go now then. Speedway, just look at that, you'll know.
So the head's at the shop. I'm gonna grab that. I'll stop at that, buy some tools.
We got a thing of tools with us.
Yeah, but I gotta make sure I got some certain stuff.
All
I need a 6.14.
All right.
I'll try. You know how to get back?
Yeah.
Damn it, Jeremy. Looks like I'm working today. That's all right. As long as I get it done for the, as long as I get it done for the thing. We need to get water, oil, tools.
We can do that. No problem.
I'll torque it with my freaking nothing. That tensure, man, I told you.
I remember when we were messing with it, man. It was iffy.
Oh, it was beyond iffy. I just couldn't. I didn't want to pull the block out to helicoil it. That big power, she just slipped. Jumped some teeth. As long as we get it done for the demo.
We're gonna get it done, Brad. We're gonna get it done, dude. There's no way that we're going out like this.
There is no way. You said you wanted an adventure with me? Here we go. It's now beginning. So the piston's probably damaged, but I feel like I'll tap the aluminum back down if it is. And the rest of it's gonna just sail away. Obviously the tensure we have a problem with, so if I can loosen it some, then I'll get the belt on, and then we're gonna get some wire. So I'll try to rip it up as tight as I can and then tighten it, and then I think we're gonna like baling wire it or something, you know, so it can't drop again. Just gotta last for the crashes, so that's all we can do. So we're gonna do it because we're the Boosted Boys.
That's just who we are, man.
Well, how's it go? Race it, break it, fix it, repeat. That's what we're gonna do. Like the Walmart of AutoZones.
It's freaking huge.
Huge. So hopefully we can get everything we need here. So. Stop.
We are the police in the crown, baby.
Yeah.
We are the police.
I think they've had enough of us today. Yeah. Side, check the shift linkage, and then do the plugs. And then, you know, I say keep running them all day.
Yeah. He's doing good, man.
Yeah, he's hauling ass. That's what it's about. Yep.
That thing hauls ass, dude. But this one's not. It's not running right.
It's will.
Oh, I know. We got the
When you
team
check
here,
those
has
plugs.
to. All right, I'm gonna get on that. All right. Well, yeah, man. I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get you this time. Not this time, but.
All right, let's set it up next time then.
Yeah, because I mean, I could put a ratchet strap on it and send it. I don't know, man. We've been sending it too much.
I understand. I get you. So luckily they were able to find somebody with a piston, and they're gonna put it back together real quick and the LS head and hopefully get it good.
It's on.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So hopefully in the next couple hours we'll see this thing up and running again. That'd be awesome. Shane's missing out.
Yeah,
Shane's missing out big time.
So we found the problem. Oh, he was doing this to tighten it up. That's the problem.
Where was that?
This is the tensioner bolt. Everyone sees this is the problem. Tensioner bolt. So that's what we're fighting. So I'm going to try to remove the engine mount.
Really, you don't see that. Oh, that is very rare. Very rare.
It happened. Here we go.
Somebody get that man a Coca-Cola, they say.
Hell yeah. When I'm done,
Yeah.
I get rewarded.
Right.
Damn, Ray hooked it up. Ray hooked it up.
You okay?
Woo!
Boostedboiz are busy getting ready, and the demolition derby is about to go down. About an hour here. You still got time to get out here. Look at all these wonderful cars that are about to get demolished. The Integra is not in it, I hope. think they're very close to getting it started, so we'll see. Wish them luck. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, 1320 Video, Cleetus McFarland, Boostedboiz, to see all the videos from today. There's gonna be some epic stuff. Kyle signing shirts right now. Lots of awesome people out here. Thanks to all the fans that came out. It's been an amazing day so far, and it's gonna get better.
How's it going?
Oh, it could be better.
Yeah?
Figure out what happened.
It's gone now.
The bolt had broke altogether.
Oh,
wow. So that's what happened.
Dang, the tensioner bolt just snapped off.
So I pulled them out. I was going to try to put the tensioner here, but then I need a longer belt.
Right.
So I'm trying to get creative.
Alright, so the Boostedboiz Integra, the belt tensioner, the bolt itself snapped and it was cross-threaded. So we can't put the tensioner on there specifically. So Brent's trying to put the tensioner towards the intake cam. And right now there's going to be too much slack on the exhaust side. So I have the aftermarket tensioner on my car. So I'm about to drive the car over and see if I can pull it off of my car. And Brent said that we could probably make it work on his. So hopefully, I don't know.
And they almost got the car together too. The head's already on, the cams are in, the turbo's mounted.
They just need belt tension.
That's it.
I don't mind having my car down for a couple hours so they can have some fun.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's pretty much it. They're done.
Yeah.
They took the car apart, put it back together in the whole day.
Yes, sir.
Now you got a problem.
We put our mind, yeah, this shit's going to work. This is badass.
Insane.
Everyone needs to see this. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. 420, huh? This is unreal. The guys from SP. And us, like, it got done.
They're going to be ready to fire.
Let's put a valve cover on, it's more on it. And
that's it, man. Tensioner special.
It's two sockets, an 8mm and a 10mm. 8mm socket.
So we got a 10mm in there, 8mm in here. That's supposed to go here.
And no motor mount.
And no motor mount. SP Integra.
Hey, where's the...
So it should run a 10 too.
It should. Hey, you'll get more miles per hour. It'll give you about 10 miles per hour. Got spot though. Don't think about it, do it.
Here we go.
I love it.
Come on, Aurelio. Who's got a starter for that? Yeah, brother.
There you go.
Everybody! Over here we got Kyle, one rad ass dude. Over here we got the coupe, full of Cooper, King Cooper. Fucking death match of
burn out. Don't even do a burnout.
300 horse because we're down a few bit.
I say 270.
Versus whatever. We have to push him all the way to the green light. What's that?
You want me to push start?
No, we're gonna push it all the way to the green, and then he's gonna start it, and then we're gonna ram that son bitch right there. That's it. This shit is unreal. No one can understand what we got going.
Who does that, dude?
We did that! Kyle, proud of you no matter what, brother.
Hell yeah.
Boosted boy for life.
In a matter of 2 hours.
Boostedboiz made it!
Hell yeah! He beat Cooper. He beat Cooper. He beat Cooper. It made it back. It made it back.
Made it back. Dude,
And you won.
it made boost.
And you won. It made boost.
It's still good?
No, it's not. It sounded normal.
The belt was halfway off.
We need to freshen up the belt. It's coming loose again though. Dude, it runs. If we can figure out that belt, Brett. If we can figure out that belt, we'll win every race. It's fast still.
We can try to loosen that 10 and push that 10 forward again, right?
Yeah, because see, look.
Where's Holman?
Gone.
What's up? There you are.
What's up?
That 10, it just needs to come forward, right?
Yeah.
A pry bar and a 10 millimeter wrench. Forward tension this way, right? Yeah. Just don't over torque the 10. Snug as a bug in a rug. That's it. Kyle?
It's still fast.
And it's got, that's all it is. So you have, if you stay in it, you have to stay loaded. If you need us to drive down after you're done, shut it off and call me. We won.
Yeah, I know, and it made it down the track.
It made it down the track.
We beat Cooper, and I think Cooper won.
This is epic, man. This is unreal.
This is crazy. Never done before.
Legends.
Yeah! Oh, we're trying to have a shotgun contest?
I told you, man. That thing's steady. Oh, when you do it.
Oh, for sure, man. For sure.
This guy supplied us the tires, so now he has to chug it. It's fair. Yeah! At least the Teggy's good for something.
Last chance to buy a Boostedboiz shirt.
Let's see how this is gonna work. With the flashlight. Hold on.
Whoa. Yeah, that one's not gonna work.
Something sounds a little messed up.
Hey, that's how it goes.
Whatever. Looks cool.
Let me just get
We put in one hell of an effort.
Hey,
All you guys.
for everybody that helped, thanks. It did work.
Hell yeah, you all are boosted boys.
Hell yeah.
100% sure it's not gonna work.
Damn, I thought okay, so that wasn't gonna take.
100% destroyed.
What'd you say? ASC certified. Tell them. Highlight video, man. Tell them.
It's what?
You're on the spot. Tell them it's screwed.
It is. You're scared for life.
Great.
Boostedboiz.
Boosted boys, yeah.
Send it, puppy. Send it,
Where are we pushing this thing?
This has been something.
Oh, yeah.
One epic day.
Y'all gotta come out here again, man.
Yeah, well, we're coming.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, we're coming.